To change the default digital assistant app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find apps. Tap apps and then tap choose default apps. Tap digital assistant app. Next, tap digital assistant app and then select the desired digital assistant app you like to use. As the example, we will select Bixby Voice. A pop-up appears to inform you that the selected assistant app will be able to read information about apps in use on your system, including information visible on your screen or accessible within the apps. To continue setting Bixby Voice as the default digital assistant app, tap OK button. Now you can open Bixby Voice to search or do something by swiping inward from one of the bottom corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.